Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial, and this week I want to share with you this beautiful merch bandana scarf. It's really gorgeous, simple to make, lightweight, great for summer. So to start, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. I'm using a curtain yarn for this project, a 4.0 millimeter and darning needle scissors. So let's start with the tutorial. The first row, I'm going to start with a slip knot and I'm going to do a chain 9. So I'm going to chain 9. So chain 9 is chain 5 plus a triple crochet. I'm going to do a triple crochet into the first chain. I wrap my yarn around twice, that's a triple crochet, go into the first chain and do a triple crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through the last 2. We have the first round and that is the first triangle. So that's the first triangle upside down. Round 2, we're going to start every round with chain 9. So keep in mind, we're starting every round throughout for this bandana with chain 9. With chain 9, turn, do 2 double crochets into the chain 5 space. So that's into every space we'll work 2 double crochets. So that's 1 double crochet, another one will do another double crochet. I'm going to chain 5, and do a triple crochet into the fourth chain of the chain 9. Remember, we started with a chain 9. Just make sure you count 1, 2, 3, 4 into the fourth chain. I will do a triple crochet into the fourth, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through the last 2, and this is the end of round 2. So we're just going to keep repeating this. For round 3, we'll start with a chain 9. Chain 9. Chain 9 is what we repeat at the end, that is chain 5 and a triple crochet. So into that space, I'm going to do 2 double crochet into every space. You do 2 double crochets, 2 double, chain 5 in the middle. You have to put chain 5 in the middle of every double crochet stitch. So that is chain 5. You go into the next space and do 2 double crochets. So into the space you're just going to be working 2 double crochets, a chain 5 in the middle, and end with a chain 5 triple crochet into the fourth stitch. So now I'm going to chain 5 as usual and do a triple crochet into the fourth stitch. So this stitch is really simple. We're always going to start with the same round or with the same number of chains. So it's a repeat row pattern, repeating the same thing, ending with the same stitch. Round 4 is the same. Start with a chain of 9. Turn your work around. Put 2 double crochet in every space. As you notice, as you work your space, you have more space to work the 2 double crochets. So that's the first. Second, 2 double crochets into the space, chain 5, 2 double crochets into the next space, chain 5. That's what you're just going to be repeating. This is a very simple stitch and easy to understand, and you can make this bandana like in less than 1 hour, even as a beginner. So into the last space, you're going to do 2 double crochets into that space. I'm going to chain 5 and then do 1 triple crochet into the 4th stitch. So you must always end with a triple crochet into the 4th stitch. So I'm going to continue this and do around, I did up to 16 rows of this. So I continued this up to 16 rows. So you can just go ahead, and I'm going to just show you once I'm done. Do not forget to start with a chain 9, 2 double crochets in the middle, chain 5, end with a triple crochet. So this is row 15. I want to show you what to do with row 16. So row 16 is going to be different. So this is row 15. Now I said you need 16 rows, but the last row is row 16. So I need to show you what to do. It's going to be different from the usual stitch. For this row, I'm going to start with a chain 5, turn my work, and do a single crochet, 2 single crochet into every space. As you can see, the stitch is really different. I'm going to chain 5, and into every space is going to be 2 single crochet. Chain 5, 2 single crochet into the space. So I'm just going to repeat this until I get to the end, and I'm going to show you what to do. I'm going to do my last 2 single crochets into that space. So I'm doing my last single crochet into that space. I just did the chain 5 now. I'm going to chain 2 and do 1 double crochet into the 4th stitch. Into the 4th stitch, 1 double crochet. And that's it. So for the strap, I'm going to chain 45. You can add more numbers to your own strap if you want it longer, but I just want it to be just 45. So I have 45 chains there. I'm going to skip the 1st stitch and go into the 2nd stitch and do 2 half double crochets into the same stitch. So that's the first one. Back into the same stitch, another half double crochet, skip 1 and go into the next stitch and do 2 half double crochets. Skip 1 and go into the next stitch and do 2 half double crochets. So I'm going to just repeat this until I'm throughout for the strap. So I'm almost done with the strap, doing my last 2 half double crochets into the last stitch. Now I'm going to work on the border of the scarf, just to give this the border this edgy style. So into the 1st space there, 2 single crochets into the same space. I go into the stitch. So you find there the stitch, you go into that stitch, do a slip stitch, chain 3 into that same place where you did the chain 3, 1 double crochet. You go into the next stitch. Now we're working into the stitch, not into the space. We're working into every stitch. So into the stitch right there on that post, we're going to do a slip stitch, chain 3, 1 double crochet into the same stitch where I did the chain 3, 1 double crochet, go into the stitch right on top of the post, and that is a post. So that's you go right on top of the stitch there and do a slip stitch first, chain 3, 1 double crochet into the same stitch, going to the next. So you just have to work right on top of that you have to work right on top of the post, a slip stitch. So you can see you have this beautiful looks more like a scallop edge. Chain 3, 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Go into the next post and do a slip stitch, chain 3, a double crochet into the same stitch. I'm going to do this until I get to the tip. So yeah, at the tip, just remember I'm just doing on this side, so we have to do on that tip. On the tip of the bandana is the same. Start with a slip stitch, chain 3 into the same stitch, 1 double crochet. It's going to give the bandana this beautiful curve at the tip there. So into the next stitch, the same thing, a slip stitch, chain 3, 1 double crochet into the same stitch. We're going to just repeat this until the end. And yeah, at the end, to do the final post, I'm going to just repeat the same thing that I've been doing, and then find a stitch next to the thing I just finished, maybe into the chain space, go into that chain and find a stitch and do a slip stitch, chain 45 for the other side of the strap. And that is to do what I did on the other side. Really simple. Make sure you put 2 half double crochets into every stitch like I showed you on the other side of the strap. I'm just going to find any stitch next to the strap and do a slip stitch, chain 1 and fasten off. This is such a very simple, easy bandana scarf for summer, and it's so lightweight and breathable. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Do not forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you in the next one.